Welcome back again in new video for the Power BI exercises. So today we will be looking into the calculate function and we will be working with the variables. So this is the exercise where we have to calculate the ratio between the normal and the multi-legged animals using variables and the calculate and the values function. So this is the exercise. You can just go on the website, you can go and click here, the file will get downloaded and then you can start your work. So I have already downloaded the file, so this is the file and we have all these tables here. So in this exercise we will be using only two tables. One is this product table and one is this purchase table. Okay, so in our problem they are directly mentioning that we have to create one new measures like this, which allows us to show these values, the percentage values in our matrix. So what are these values? So these values are for the ratio between the sales for that cell and sales for different legged animal. So in our data we have if I just go and click on the table view, we have a data for animal type of data, like where we are showing the product name and then the animal, and then there is this column legs column. So there are 0, 2, 4 and 6 legs. So we will be working on this only. On this basis we will get the percentage here. So we will create only one measure, and in this exercise on website it is clearly mentioned that we need to use the variable. So this is a good exercise working with variables. So let's start, and we will create one measure. So I will name it as animal, like I will name it as percentage ratio. Okay, so in our exercise it was clearly mentioned to use the variable, so I will use variable. So our first variable would be four-legged sales. So what it is, it's the total quantity of the sales for the current filter context but for the animal with four legs. So I will name my variable as four-legged. So we need to calculate the sum of sales quantity, the quantity of sales. So I will just type quantity. If there is like calculate then sum quantity, yeah, we have quantity column in the purchase. I will just click tab and then we will add a filter here which is four-legged animals. So legs was in this product and product legs column. I will write it down as is equal to 4 and then close this, and then other we have 6 leg. So we will repeat the same formula here. I will just name it as 6 legged, and we will repeat the same formula, calculate sum quantity and then close it, and then filter as legs should be 6. Okay, so these two variables are ready. Now we need to make one more variable which is many-legged ratio. So I will name it as many. So what's many-legged ratio? It's like A divided by B, which is where the A is the total quantity of the sales for the current filter context and B is the sum of the previous two variable. So B is the sum of these two, like this plus this is the sum, and A is total quantity of sales, like the normal quantity of sales. So what we will use this divide function, and in the numerator it said that A is the total quantity of the sales with the current filter context, which is this one, and then we will add denominator which is 4-legged plus 6-legged sum. If you go here and you will see B is equal to the sum of previous two table. So I will write, don't write, I will just add these. Wait, I will add 4-legged here plus 6-legged. Okay, and I will close this and I will return many-legged and I will enter. So our measure is ready. Let's check if it is accurate or not. I will just drag this here in the values. Now it's giving us the values in like the decimals. We need to convert it into the percentage, so I will just go here and click here. So now it's converted into percentage, and let's check if we are having the accurate values or not. So in 2011 it's 82%, 82.13, 67.42, 82.13, 67.42, and 98.51 and 98.51, and overall total, if we check the total, we have 66.50, 66. Okay, so total is not mentioned here, but let's check the result for 2016, which is 41.2899, 41.2899 and 0.36%. So that's the accurate values. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.